Hi guys, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you one of my favorite fiber art tools, and this is, yes, this bad guy that is called latch hook. And as the name suggests, it's a hook with a latch. And I will show you how it works. But first we need to prepare our yarn. Usually I just wrap it around some cardboard to get same length pieces and cut it with my scissors. And now the most important part, how it works. Take your yarn, make a loop, and go through it with your latch hook. Then go through the fabric. And here I'm using burlap. It actually works super nice with latch hook. And at this point, make sure the latch is laying down. Place your yarn between latch and hook and pull it down. And you will see how the latch will close and the yarn will be attached to the fabric. And let's do this once again. Loop, put it down, go through, yarn in the middle, pull down. And here you can see this process in slow motion. Guys, this tool is genius. You can also double your yarn for thicker or fluffier texture, and the whole process looks exactly same. And now I want to show you how the whole process looks like. First you prepare your yarn, cut, cut, cut. Just look at its shades of green, I am obsessed with it now. And then you take your tool and repeat same motion again and again. And you know what guys, that's what I like about fiber arts. Because you're repeating same motion again and again, your mind slows down. The whole process is so calming and relaxing. That's why whenever I have a couple of free minutes, I take my tools, latch hook, punch needle, or just embroidery needle, and dive into the projects. And what I also like about all of these crafts, that you're working with some tangible materials. All the fabrics, yarns, threads, they have different colors, they have different textures, and it's so pleasant to work with it. And it's also the way of color therapy, because you combining some colors that are really pleasing to your eye, you looking at them, you touching them, you feeling them, and then in the end you see the whole finished piece. And here also this result is not as important, because the whole process is so relaxing and kind of meditating, really. That's why I created this channel, to promote all of this fiber arts, and I really suggest that you try something out, and I'm sure you will love it. And when you're ready with hooking part, it's time for trimming, because obviously you want to give some specific shape to your piece. And you know what guys, this trimming part feels so satisfying. Cut, 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 cut. Ooh. And in my next video I will show you the finished piece, and you will see why I was using the latch hook to create this grass-like texture. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something new. Please consider subscribing to my channel to watch more creative videos and dive deeper into different fiber arts, and I see you in my next one. Bye guys!